Hey guys, Francis here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 6 things, okay, you can do in Nigeria to make money for 2020. Alright, now I did this video for 2018. I also did similar content for 2019, and here am I doing for 2020, okay, because this works and they're super valuable. This time around, they're actually going to be 6 things, okay. I actually put them down right here on my note, okay, to share with you guys so that I don't miss out on anything, okay. Now, if this is your first time on watching me, or this is your first time on stopping by on my videos, or if you've been watching me for quite some time and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the red subscribe button and tick the little bell notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I come up with any new videos. That way, you don't miss out on anything, okay. Now, this January, I'll be making a lot of valuable content by sharing a lot of cool stuff with you guys. And also, I'll be releasing my affiliate marketing course, okay? If you would like to get on the waiting list of that course to be out in January, but if you want to be notified when that course will be out, go down in the description and get on my waiting list, okay? And if you want any resources I'm going to be mentioning in this entire video, also with my affiliate marketing ebook, you can go to my resource page. I'm going to link that in the description of this video. Just go down there and you have access to all my resources and all those cool stuff. Also, I'll also be doing a meetup for January, okay? If you would like to meet with me, I'm in Abuja. If you'd like to meet with me, actually, okay? I'm going to put the details in the description also. Just check out that details. All you have to do is just go on Instagram and send me a DM and we can follow it up from there. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So guys, I'm actually going to encourage you guys to stay to the end of this video, and if you're gaining value from the video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment of this video. The first thing you can do in Nigeria to make money for 2020 is social media marketing, or become a social media manager, okay? Now this is actually huge and it works a lot because I've seen a lot of success with it. I see a lot of people make money with these things because first off, business owners don't actually have time, okay? They don't have the time to manage all their social media accounts, create content, post them, do all those marketing stuff and all those stuff because they are investing most of their time in their business, all right, and their own expertise. So you can help them solve that problem by providing your services to manage their social media accounts or their social media pages for them, all right, and you'll be paid for that. Now you can be paid between $100, $200, $500 to $1,000 and above, depending on the clients you're working with, all right. But the bare minimum is from $100 and above, okay, depending on what you're doing. Or you can basically pick a particular social media to work with, maybe their Pinterest account or their LinkedIn account or their Instagram account. You can just pick a particular one and charge them for that one. Help them manage it for like a whole month, okay. Now here are some of the things you might need as a social media manager, okay. First off, you need to get good with copywriting, all right, because you're going to be doing a lot of copy or a lot of captions on the social media account because you want people to take a particular action. So you must get good when it comes to captions, okay. You know how to caption post. Let's say you post a picture that is looking pretty, you must caption that picture, right? Put the right hashtags and all those cool stuff. So you need to get good at copywriting, all right, and get it straight. Another thing you need to get good at is content repurposing. You need to understand what content repurposing is. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some cool things you can start doing for 2020. Actually, a lot of people were doing it for 2019, but this is going to be huge for 2020, all right? It's more of like a new skill set that is coming on board for the online space that you can use to make money, all right? Now, content repurposing is actually one of them, which you have to understand as a social media manager or as a social media marketer. You have to understand content repurposing. It's just basically you taking content from another platform and using it for another platform. All right, let's say you make a tweet. Let's say you tweet something on Twitter, then you just screenshot it and post it on Instagram stories, stuff like that. All right. Recently, Gary Vee actually put out a 200+ PDF guide, okay, sharing with you guys how to make 64+ content. Okay, you share with everybody actually how to make 64+ content in a day. All right, I'm going to link that in the description so you can have access to it. It's also going to be on my resource page, okay, so you can have access to that guide by Gary Vee. Okay, it's going to be on his website actually. You can find it on your own or go down below and get access to it. Okay, so those are basically what you need as a social media manager. All right, you need to get good at these basic things: caption, you need to know how to do content repurposing, and you must know how to plan out a content calendar so you can easily post for your client. Another cool way you can use to get your foot in the door is to provide them with some form of value. I don't know, provide the business owners with some form of value. Tell them how you can actually help their business. Let them know how you can solve certain problems for them. Okay, when they can see that, okay, you can actually leave this burden from them, they're willing to give you a try and to work with you. Okay, so that's one of the ways you can get your foot in the door. Provide value to them. Look, there are different ways you can do that. Either working for them for free for a month, or for 2 weeks, or let's say doing a particular task for them for like a week. Also, just do something of value, okay, to make them know that you're relevant and you can perform the task. So for number 2 is design services or imagery. That's if you're into graphic design, website design, photography, videography, video editing, and all those cool stuff. Okay, you can actually make money in Nigeria with those things online. All right, now the first thing you want to do as a photographer or a videographer is let's say you take pictures or you take photos, videos, let's say stock footages. You can sell that on stock websites. That's the first thing you can do to make money. Number 2 is, as a graphic designer or web designer, okay, let's say you're good with WordPress, you know how to design with WordPress, you should go on freelance websites. Okay, let's say you want to get started, you can learn these skills and start signing up for freelance websites like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com. There are a bunch of them out there. You can sign up for freelance website and start rendering your service, providing your service to people there, because there are lots of jobs right there. If you know how to bid for jobs and win jobs, you can get jobs on Upwork and on Fiverr also, if you know how to level up on Fiverr. I'm actually not on Fiverr, but I see a lot of people killing it on Fiverr and they're doing pretty well. Okay, so if you are a graphic designer, you can also do that. Now, in my previous video, which I'm going to link on the card above, in my previous video I made mention about selling services. So even if you don't have some of these skills, you can actually drop ship these services. You can also sell website packages. If you're a website designer, you can maybe sell management services, how to help people manage their website or help them recreate or redesign their website. Okay, you can sell some of these services online. All you can basically do is to set up a website for your services, either you're a graphic designer or you're a web designer. Set up a website for your services that you're rendering, all right, then run traffic to your pages, okay, and get qualified people or people who are interested in what you're doing to purchase your gigs, and by so doing, you'll be making money and you'll be happy. So if you're getting value from this video right now, let me know that in the comment section of this video, and also give this video a thumbs up to show me that you're gaining value from it, because when you hit the thumbs up button, you let YouTube know that this video is cool and YouTube should actually recommend it to other people on YouTube. Okay, so show your support by hitting the thumbs up button right now. So for number 3, to make money in Nigeria for 2020, what you can do is to sell physical products. Okay, now this works in 2 ways. The first one is either you're doing drop shipping, which is you're selling directly from your manufacturer. You don't have to see or touch the product. Whenever somebody orders the product from you, all you have to do is to send the order to your manufacturer, your supplier, and your supplier ships the product to the customer. You don't have to see it, you don't have to keep inventory. All right, that is the first route you can take, which is actually drop shipping. A lot of people say drop shipping is kind of like saturated right now, but I still see a lot of people killing it. Okay, they're doing a lot of things online that freaks me out. Oh, can you actually make money with this product? All right, one of the best ways you can make money right now with drop shipping is actually when you go into undersaturated niches. Okay, niches that has low competition. All right, not like the ones that have huge competition. All right, or the one everybody's running to. All right, do your research, do your due diligence, and look for those niches that are undersaturated, that a lot of people are not going into. Then you can use that as a stepping stone, okay, for 2020 and start making money with drop shipping. The second thing you can make money with selling physical product, okay, is through selling your own product. I see a lot of people who know how to do handcraft, know how to make a lot of things by themselves, okay. So you can create some of these things, set up a landing page or set up a web page or a website that you can sell your own product. Whenever somebody orders from your own website, you can ship the product to them. Mind you, you must get good at marketing, you must get good at sending traffic, okay. People who might be interested in buying what you sell, okay, you must get good at traffic also, so you can get customers to your website or to your store. So that is the third way you can make money for 2020 by selling physical product. So the fourth way you can make money in Nigeria for 2020, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth way, all right, is by selling digital product. Okay, just like selling physical product, digital product also works in similar way. All right, let's say you're selling ebooks or you're selling any information product or like a video course and all those stuff. Digital product. Selling based on your experience, what you know, you can teach other people, or you can create it in form of an information, because you will be surprised that what you know, a lot of people don't even know it. All right. In one of my videos, I made mention of where I talk about making $1,000 a day, where I share with you guys how somebody can literally create a course around pidgin English and teach people pidgin English and still make money from it. You'll be surprised who wants to buy information about pidgin English, right? I'm actually going to link that above. You can check that video out. Super valuable, cool content, okay? I know you're going to get a lot of value if you check out that video also. So you can make a lot of money when you sell digital products, all right? Or you can sell your consulting or something, all right? Anything you can sell that has to do with information, all right? You can make a lot of money in Nigeria just doing it, okay? Maybe you can set up a landing page, you can set up a website also for it and drive traffic to it. And maybe, let's say you can provide value to people on Instagram or YouTube to send traffic to your web page or to your services. Then you can be making money selling your own digital course or your own digital product, okay? Just like I made mention, it can be ebook, it can be an ebook, it can be like a video course, it can be like an audio book, okay? There are so many things you can create, all right, and sell them online as a digital copy, all right? And the cool part about digital copies is that you don't have to keep remaking them, okay? The copies are actually infinite, all right? When you sell to somebody, it's still there. You can see you sell to another person over and over and over again. That's why actually SaaS company tends to work very well. You know, SaaS companies, which are called software as a service, those kind of companies they work very, very well, because okay, they just make the software once and they keep selling to multiple people over and over and over, so their revenue tends to go up. So for number 5 is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is what I do, is what I love to do very well, because affiliate marketing is very, very cool. It's just basically selling other people's product or services for a commission or for a cut, okay? I have a product or a service, you help me sell, I give you a commission. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. It's not so hard, it's not so complicated. Only if you understand the drills, only if you know how it works, okay? There are different angles you can approach affiliate marketing, which I mostly share most of them on this YouTube channel. That is why, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and tick the little bell notification icon so that you'll be notified anytime I drop new videos, because they are fully packed with valuable content, okay? You don't want to be missing out on them. Now, affiliate marketing is very, very cool, because the product don't necessarily have to be your own. It can be the product of someone else, all right? You're just helping them sell that, okay? Because you don't have to create your own product. Right, you can help somebody sell their own product. You don't have to worry about the shipping, the customer service, and all those stuff, okay? You just bring traffic to it. Whenever somebody buys, you're getting commission from it. That's the cool part about affiliate marketing. Another cool thing I like about affiliate marketing is that it is actually a low entry business model, okay? You can start with little to no money at all. Just that when you start growing your business, okay, you can start reinvesting into it, investing into paid ad to scale your business. That is the best route to go when it comes to affiliate marketing. Another thing with affiliate marketing is the networks, okay? So if you're getting started, you can pick a network or two and start looking for products to promote. So the first affiliate network you can get started with is Amazon Associate, okay? Amazon Associate is actually very cool. There are other affiliate networks out there like Share Sale, Commission Junction that you can work with in Nigeria. I see a lot of people asking me about ClickBank. Okay, ClickBank is also a cool network, but the thing is they don't work with Nigeria at the moment, all right? But I'm going to be putting out a video, let's say tomorrow, so you don't want to miss out on that. I'm going to be putting out a video tomorrow on how to create a ClickBank account in Nigeria, because I've been getting a lot of questions and a lot of people have been asking me about it. And since based on the demand, I am forced to find a way out for Nigerians to actually get a ClickBank account the right way, not what you've been watching on YouTube that they have been showing you some unethical ways to create a ClickBank account, which is not actually cool. But in my next video, which is coming out by tomorrow, okay, I'll be sharing with you guys how to create a ClickBank account the right way, all right? So if you are watching this video pre-recorded, you can check that video out. A lot of people might be saying Amazon, you can't make a lot of money from Amazon Associate, all right? I personally don't promote Amazon a lot because of the commission level is actually small. The commission structure on Amazon is not that high, okay? It's not that high, but a lot of people still make money from it. Those people who, depending on the niche you're in, you can make a lot of money from Amazon. Like I see people who sell wristwatches, okay? They are making a killing from Amazon. Let's say they are selling all these old vintage watches or high-priced watches that you can sell for like $5,000, $10,000. Imagine getting a 4 to 10% commission. Let's say 10% commission from Amazon for selling a watch of $10,000, all right? That is cool, right? So selling multiple watches, okay, can earn you more money depending on the niche. If you're into the luxury watch niche, okay, or the luxury niche in general, you can make a killing from Amazon. Okay, I see a lot of people selling, giving reviews about machines, let's say big tractors and all that they sell on Amazon, or generator on Amazon, and they're making money from it. The commission levels is actually high because some of these products are high ticket products, and when you sell them on Amazon, you're making money from it. And also you must do Amazon because there are other affiliate networks out there. There's Market Health, there are a bunch of them, and I share most of them on this YouTube channel. Okay, so the thing you have to do when getting started is to understand how affiliate marketing works, sign up affiliate networks, and look for products you can promote on those networks. Okay, so you can maybe choose to promote low ticket or high ticket product. For me, I like to promote anything between mid ticket and high ticket. Anything between $50 to $100, I consider that mid ticket. All right, anything between $50 and below is low ticket for me, as I say it. So you can choose the commission range you want to go for and what you want to promote. With that, you can make money with affiliate marketing. My number 6 way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My number 6 way you can make money online in Nigeria for 2020 is to start a YouTube channel. I know a lot of people are scared about starting a YouTube channel. I get it, okay? Because sometimes you might be shy in front of the camera. You don't want to be in front of the camera because you are shy, or let's say you don't want people to see you and all those stuff. I know, I get it, okay? There are other ways you can make money on YouTube, okay? There's other ways you can create content on YouTube. And come 2020, I'll be sharing a lot of valuable information on how you can go about your YouTube channel. I've actually mentioned some of them in the past. Some people might get it, some people might not, but I'll still do more content about creating a YouTube channel with showing your face and without showing your face. Okay, there's always ways around all these things. All right, there's other ways you can do these things full time without showing your face if you're camera shy, or if you don't want to use your voice. Okay, just like I'm doing right now, showing my face. Some people don't like it, others might like it, but depending, we're all different people, right? But I'm actually going to be sharing ways you can actually create a YouTube channel, grow it, set it up as a business, okay, for 2020, and without even showing your face if you don't want it, all right, and give you guys value, okay? So YouTube is a cool way to make money online. There are multiple ways you can monetize YouTube. YouTube is more of like taking one action, okay, to get like 5 results, okay? It has this multiple ripple effect it gets, okay? So you can monetize your YouTube channel in multiple ways. The number 1 way and popular way I mostly get, or I see a lot of people talking about monetizing YouTube, is through YouTube AdSense. Yeah, AdSense is actually cool. Recently, I just got accepted in the YouTube Partners program, okay? And I'm part of the partners on YouTube, so I can actually run ads on my channel. The cool thing about ads is that advertising is getting expensive a little bit, so advertisers are willing to pay more to publishers, all right, to advertise on their YouTube channel. So you can make money with YouTube AdSense as the first one. There are other ways you can use to monetize a YouTube channel, like affiliate marketing, selling your own product, selling info product, selling all these things I just mentioned right here. You can also do them on your YouTube channel. So that is why YouTube is actually cool. Another cool part again is that you can use it to generate leads for your business. All right, so YouTube is extremely powerful, and I recommend you get started with it for 2020. Incorporate it into your business, okay? Even if you're doing a local business, you can actually start a YouTube channel, okay, to help you get free traffic and for you to gain momentum and to dominate in your niche. All right, so these are some of the 6 tips I have for you, okay, that you can use to get started for 2020 in Nigeria to make money. All right, trust me, they work powerfully well. All right, I've seen a lot of results with some of these things I just mentioned right here. I've seen a lot of people making a lot of killing with it, okay? And if you want any guidance, you want mentorship from me, you can click the link in the description, okay, to schedule a call with me. It's actually $50. I charge for my time because it takes a lot of time to go through the entire process, okay? So if you're brand new, like I made mention, and you still haven't subscribed, go down, hit that red subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my next videos, okay? Tick the little bell notification icon as well, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. If there's any question you want to ask me, Francis, I want this, Francis, I need help with this, Francis, I need this, let me know that in the comment of this video, okay? Because I'm open to help, all right? So let me know your questions or your thoughts in the comment section of this video, all right? And give this video a thumbs up if you find any value, if you know you're enjoying this content, if you know you learn anything new today, okay? Show your support by hitting the thumbs up button and share this video with a friend to help your friend out, also to give value to your friends. All right, so that will be all for this video. I would like for you guys to watch this video right here, okay? This video, I would like you guys to watch this video next, all right, because it is super packed with a lot of valuable content as well. All right, so until next time guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.